Chapter 11. Technology Around You. Step into a world where robots are our helpers, gadgets are our friends, and technology makes dreams come true. Technology Around You explore how futuristic inventions are changing our lives. From smart homes to space adventures, this chapter unveils the amazing future waiting just around the corner. Nowadays, we are heavily dependent on gadgets that has latest technologies. Technology has been growing rapidly and has now become an important part of human life. It has its impact on people of all fields and age groups. Have a look in your surroundings. You will definitely find a mobile, a PC with an email and internet access, a TV, radio, various remote controls, maybe a few postcards, and photos. In other words, your surrounding is stuffed with various kinds of communication devices. Over the last few centuries, a big chunk of the inventions that people have come up with are related in some way to communication, from posting letters to sending texts. Communication is something that people always wanted to do. You were trying to do it as soon as you were born. You will probably spend the rest of your life talking, telephoning, writing, emailing, and texting thousands of people. Our keenness to communicate means that, in a few years, your bedroom might look something like this. Super mobile phones. In future, you will witness that your mobile will beep for attention and then tell you that your favorite band is about to start their gig. You will send a quick text to your friends who like that band and you will be able to watch and hear that performance also on your mobile, which will record the best bits for later, too. Today, almost everyone who can afford a mobile has got one. So, in order to continue selling them, the manufacturers have to keep coming up with innovations. A few decades further in the future and you would not have to fish your mobile out from the back of the sofa. It will be constantly at your side, or more likely on your shoulder or perched on or even in your ear. By then, computer memory will be so economical that your mobile will record everything which happens to you, everything you see and hear, so that you will be able to look back over what happened during the last day or decade whenever you like. Clever software will be included to gloss over the boring bits, not to mention those terribly embarrassing moments you would rather draw a discreet veil over. Mobile like this will be very useful, and not just for you. They will download their information from the internet where all sorts of people will be able to access it, so tracking down criminals, finding missing persons, and getting instant ready-made news bulletins will be easy. In fact, they will be so useful that chances are mobiles will become compulsory one day. Thought-controlled lights. We already have sensored lights, but in near future thought-controlled lights will be the reality. This sounds very much out of a science fiction novel. But actually the way they will work is not very complicated. Imagine a whole world of thought-controlled gadgets that will work just like this. As well as inventions that respond to instructions that we deliberately think about. There will be some gadgets that will sense our mood. Some of your bedroom furniture will even think like Mind-reading bed-cum chair. It may be a topic of a discussion that your living space will be smaller because the accommodation price is rising and the population growing. So, instead of a bed, easy chair and office-type chair, you may have just one thing. Maybe it will be called smart chair, or perhaps a chaid or bear. Actually, to be brutally honest, it might be called a thunker for all. I know predicting what it is called is harder than predicting how it works. Anyway, imagine you have just finished your homework and it is time to listen to some music. Even as you think so, your chair softens and reclines. Music comes out of it until you start to get sleepy, and the music softens and dies as the chair gets wider, flatter and softer. It warms up a little, folds itself gently around, and you fall peacefully asleep. How does it work? Well, your brain produces regular patterns of electricity all the time which depend on how you feel. These patterns change when you are alert, tired or asleep. Chairs will have built-in detectors that will pick up and recognize these patterns. When your chair notices that you are feeling sleepy, it will turn into a bed, and when you are ready for some work, it will be too. When you are ready to get up, the chair will be able to straighten gradually into a column and then fold itself neatly away. Your chair will have to think to decide whether you really want to sleep, work, relax, or get up, based on the time, what you are doing, your usual pattern of behavior and all sorts of things. Carpet that cares. In future, we may have carpets that change with our needs. It will change to suit you, but it will react to physical signs rather than thoughts. It will be snuggly and warm on a cold winter's morning, smooth and cool on a June afternoon. This carpet will also solve that awful problem. Do you let your parents into your room to clean it? Do it yourself, or let it get dirty? This carpet will keep itself clean and the rest of the room too by absorbing dust from the air. All this could be done by a network of narrow tubes down through which cool or warm air is blown or dust is sucked. The carpet will also act as a burglar alarm if someone steps on it when you have told it you are out. Perhaps, carpets like this could even trap burglars like flies in a web, by squirting a network of sticky threads over them that harden in the air. Virtual Reality System. Virtual reality, VR, is a computer-generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real. It is not so easy as it seems because what we sense depends on how we move. Also, even the best VR systems around do not generate smell or taste, and physical sensations are limited to a few prods and presses on inside surface of a glove you wear or some jerks and wobbles of your chair. The easiest bit of a VR system to get to work is the audio system. Stereo headphones are all you need. Stereo headphones were around even before your parents were of your age, practically forever. In other words, getting a realistic picture is not too difficult either. For a three-dimensional effect, all you need is two tiny screens that show slightly different views, one for each eye. Of course, when thought technology takes off, all this equipment will seem to be outdated as a suit of armor. Just a little chip attached to your head or surgically implanted into it might do all the feeding of signals directly to the parts of your brain you use for seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling. Rewritable books. In future, due to the advancement of technology, you might have only one book. At the press of a button or a spoken word from you, its pages will change from a comic to a history book when it's time to do your homework, and then maybe to a TV guide, A to Z, or the latest title, depending on what sort of evening you have in mind. Rewritable books like this will look like ordinary books, but with thicker, glossier pages. Each page will have thousands of tiny spheres embedded in it. The spheres will be white on top and black underneath. When the book receives a computer file of data, some spheres will turn over, making black dots appear in groups, letters and pictures.